Hi! So I was wondering if you guys have heard of this new coffee trend called Dalgona coffee. It's got 3 ingredients: sugar, coffee, instant coffee, or brew coffee if you want to use it, and hot water. So basically you just dissolve the sugar in the and the coffee in the water and then whisk it up and it becomes like a meringue. Anyway, I'll show you if you want to have a look. Come with me. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee and 2 tablespoons of hot water, and then dissolve and then whip it. Whip it good. You can also do this with a hand whisk, but obviously it takes longer and it takes about 400 strokes to do Dalgona coffee with a hand whisk apparently. Then spoon half of the foam over hot or cold milk, and that's it. That's your Dalgona coffee. Please rate and subscribe. Thank you.